Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my April subscription to Sugar Pop Fizz. This is the first time I've gotten their subscription, and they have a monthly sticker subscription. So I thought I would unbox it with you. And her shop is called Sugar Pop Fizz. And I'm trying to think. She's on Instagram, I know. I can't remember if, I don't think she's on Etsy. I think she has her own little website. So you get a nice little envelope. I can reuse that. And then you get your invoice. Mystery foil mailer with the extra foiled headers. So I can reuse that little sticker in my journal. Comes in a nice glassine bag. And you never know what you're going to get. It's a mystery foils. So, let's see. So these are all extras. So I see you get a, these are foiled, and they're gold foiled. So you get a little carousel horse. You get a bubblegum machine. These are die cut stickers. And then here is the picture boxes. Super cute. And her paper is like it's kind of the plastic paper, I don't even know what you call it, but it's not, but it almost feels real, like just regular paper, not super shiny, and it's like a matte. So here are the picture boxes. Then you get the washi and the days of the week. It looks like this is a carnival. And then you get functional boxes, Monday, or trackers, Monday through Sunday, some checklists, some foiled headers up at the top. And then you get some deco and a bunch of foiled functional boxes. Here is the extra picture boxes. It comes in different colors of, your people are different colored. And then you get a double box. And then this is the add-on that I got, the headers, foiled headers. And then we also got some more functional boxes, some little flags, some little stamps. And then you get some washi bits, some more flags, some tickets. This is going to be a really fun kit. Some more washi, or you could use them as headers, some scallop boxes. And then here is some stars, which you could use as headers. You get a lot of banners. And these are like, almost like overlays, but they could be used by themselves. So you get some of the tent, some of the tickets, the Ferris wheel, the swings, some candy and popcorn, the tops of the tents, those could be used as headers. Here's some more of the carousel. So yeah, I could use this kit. There's enough of it to use in both my planners. Then you get some balloons, which I would probably use these as birthday. And then you get your date dots. So super fun subscription. I'm glad I tried it out, and I'm going to keep getting it. So, yeah, I'm going to try it for a while. And her shop is called sugarpopfizz.com. So super fun. So I have to use this summer when they have like the fair comes to town or whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It kind of helps my channel. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think of this subscription? And yeah, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.